Half the forest is gone.
Their land has been developed.
These humans don't want us around.
Run! Their survival is at stake.
What do we do for food?
That's easy. I know where the food is. Right over that hedge.
And the most important decision they'll have to make
We want nothing to do with anything that's over that hedge.
is who to follow.
The eyes have it. Let's ride. Welcome to paradise.
So he can do a couple of tricks, not like he can walk on water.
Hey, everybody.
RJ,
That is an SUV.
It's so big.
How many humans fit in there?
Usually, one.
Vern,
Hey there, little fella.
Stop it. Up here. Liking that a lot.
done. Hammy,
I am a crazy rabbit squirrel.
Behind you.
Ozzy,
Playing possum is what we do. Rosebud.
Can I poke him?
No.
and Stella.
Barn hole.
Thank you, Stella.
Oh, I can clear a room.
Want me to show you what I do with my nuts?
Very tempting, Hammy. Very tempting.
From DreamWorks, the creators of Shrek and Madagascar.
I'm putting my foot down.
No, play?
Play, play, play. Play, play, play. Whoa! Oh, boy.
Over the hedge.
You're the devil.
100 years ago, the world was at peace. The Avatar maintained a delicate balance between the four nations: water, earth, fire, and air. But everything changed when the Avatar disappeared and the Fire Nation attacked. Now, they are on the brink of global domination. It's time for the Avatar to return, to rise up and challenge the Fire Nation. It's time for the legend to begin. Avatar, The Legend of Aang is coming to DVD. Join 12-year-old Aang along with Katara, Sokka, and of course Appa and Momo on their epic quest to restore harmony among the four nations and stop the ruthless Fire Nation from conquering the world. Look out for Avatar, The Legend of Aang, for the first time ever on DVD.
We're going to surprise you! Shock you! And even drive you crazy! 'Cause our little yellow heroes on DVD! Now you can watch the Sponge-tacular adventures of SpongeBob SquarePants whenever you like! Hurrah! Immerse yourself with SpongeBob and his friends! Patrick the super smart starfish! Sandy the sweet squirrel! And Squidward, the octopus. So be happy! No, I said happy! 'Cause you can catch SpongeBob on DVD! Feel the power of the sponge! SpongeBob SquarePants on DVD!